I've heard from small businesses in this matter, just to ask your comment, that who have seen rates go up at 40% from one year to the next. Someone's gotten sick if they're in a small group policy. Talk about unpredictability for small businesses. You have 10 employees or, and suddenly you see increased costs, not of just 10%, but of 40%. That's pretty unsustainable and maybe unsustainable from one year to the next, let alone over a long term. So as you move forward and you say you may keep some of your employees for more than just a few years and they may actually get older, and even if they're younger, they may actually, someone find themselves quite sick, having understanding that they're going to have a commitment for ongoing care. I think that's really important. They won't lose coverage. They won't be charged more for their health status. I assume that would help you be able to grow the number of jobs in your business and grow your company.
Yeah, I mean, I support the plan not because I work for a group that hired me to support the plan. I support it just because I read through it and think that it makes sense. And that one thing the exchange does is, the oddest thing about our free market insurance is that it's not a market. You can't compare prices between doctors, between surgeries. You have eliminated the only thing that makes a free market, which is price comparison. And so the system we have now is just so backward and inefficient that I think you need to reform part of the exchange. But a public option is also necessary because in a place like Iowa, it's just everything's controlled by two companies. There's no actual competition.
There's not real competition.
And so I think everything working together with regulation and competition will come out.
And
with a
maybe
pretty
some
good plan.
transparency so you can actually compare apples to apples in an exchange, for example. All right. Well, thank you very much, and thank you all for your testimony.